Good evening, good day. Sorry about that. Good day, beautiful people. All right. This is Fxgoat speaking. Welcome back to yet another mentorship session, guys. I'm your host for today. All right. Let's get the ball rolling, beautiful people. Can you kindly confirm, all of you guys, if you're able to hear me properly on your side before we can actually proceed? We have Tumi, we have Bonga, we have Pavel, Ria. We also have Tapelo Rampai, Larona, Hotomuletsane, and Kopoto. Can you guys confirm if you're able to hear me properly? Can you guys confirm if you're able to hear me properly, beautiful people, before we can go any further? Before we can go any further, guys, can you kindly confirm on the chat box if you're able to hear me properly? The me says yes, Koso. Thumbs up. All right, beautiful people. How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? Are you guys good? Great. Okay. Let's get the ball rolling, beautiful people. Today we have the NZDJPY sales looks clean for beautiful selling opportunities. Why? Because we have the structure on the higher time frame that actually gives us a nice confirmation for clean, beautiful selling opportunities, right? So without any waste of time, the thing that made me to actually consider this trade being a high probability trade, it's because of how it evolves towards the valued areas. So as you can simply see right here, we have the structure commitment towards how we are actually committing ourselves towards the valued areas. So you can simply see that the beautiful NZDJPY looks quite clean for cells, right? So you can simply see that on this beautiful momentum right here, we have the commitment towards selling opportunities. Why? Because you can see that the structure is so kind, it's so beautiful towards the valued areas, right? So I'm busy entering the NZDJPY selling opportunities that I'm actually spotting out right here, right? So I want to be in this trade today because I see a lot of potential to the downside, right? So this is the trade that I'm going to be holding for the rest of today because I see a lot of potential towards to the downside, beautiful people. All right, moving right along. We have the structure commitment right here. We have the first touch, second touch. We also have third and fourth touch, right? So simply I can just say 1, 2, 3 touches right there upon our higher high, right? We also have the structure commitment where right here, guys, we also have the structure commitment right here. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? Meanwhile, we also have 1, 2, 3, right? So at the bottom, what do we have? At the bottom, what do we have? We have this right here. We have 1, 2, 3, right? So now, since well, this is an expanding, we are looking to see price coming to tap to the low, right? So we also see that upon this, we can simply see that we have a beautiful head and shoulders pattern, right? So looking for that further sell to the downside. So that is one of the confirmations we can say we are going to be capitalizing on it as we are having momentum structure to the downside, right? So yeah, that is how we can say the NZDJPY it's structured. So we are looking for more selling opportunities. I've just shared it on the group whereby we are all there on the Discord group, right? So we have it under the trade ideas. So I've shared it there. Hence, I'm saying I'm looking for nice selling opportunities based on how the structure is evolving. So that is one of the reasons I'm gonna be looking for selling opportunities upon here. So moving to the 1 hour time frame, I'm still having this structure commitment towards here. So I'll be looking to see price squeezing itself upon here. As you can see, we have been having some commitment towards here. Maybe price could actually come and tap before going down. However, but I've already entered. I wish I could just see price actually dropping to the downside, right? So that is one of the confirmations that I'm actually looking for, since price is committing towards to the downside. That is my confirmation, right? So I also have the Euro GBP. So that is one of the nice, beautiful setups for today also. Looking clean buys, looking for clean buys for today. Hopefully price could actually tap around about these numbers right here before we can see any further drop or anything. So we can simply see that the sales are finished. Right now we have this nice double top to the upside. And today it's mostly like a reversal day structure. We are actually reversing towards to the upside. Hence we see forth that price is giving us nice confirmations for selling, for buying opportunities, right? So you can also see that we also have a committed area here, area of value, where price bounced, retest, looking for further buys right there. So does anyone have something quite different from what I have right now? Do we have anyone that says I'm looking for something different from yours? What is it that you're having? What is it that you have, guys? I also have Euro USD, right? So when I open my MA, my MA still says that we still gonna experience buys as long as price it still maintains above this moving average. So I'll be looking to see price coming here before shooting strongly to the downside. Hopefully by a rejection, that's when I can say the market would reverse. However, someone says I'm on sales of USD CAD and gold. Wow, USD CAD sales. No, for me, I beg to differ, guys. I wanna differ with regards to USD CAD. I was holding USD CAD price earlier. However, let me just analyze it for you and let's check it. What do we have on the USD CAD? So let's start on the weekly. So I would start on the weekly time frame to check my levels where I'm seeing possible reversals, right? Where I'm seeing possible reversals. Let's go on the daily. So you would see that right here where we are, right here where we are, we can simply see that we have this as a channel, right? This is a channel, and we can clone it to the upside, right? We can clone this one to the upside and have structure commitment right here. We also have something like this, right? So since we have something like this, we can simply see that price right here, it's actually looking quite nice. Because why? The double bottom is already there, and also I'm looking for this zone, which is the double bottom, and price broke the resistance level of this mid zone, right? So the next targeted high, it's actually here, because right where we are, I'm looking for price to come back here, because we broke, we retested, we're coming back there. That's what I'm looking at. So your cells, you must be very careful. Your cells are not going to be for quite so long. And also you can simply see that this is a channel. This is a channel, right? This is a channel up until here. It's a channel, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it actually gives us those vibes for a spike. So we can simply see that right here, price is acting up, right? So this is actually a potential reversal point for the market. Buy. Simply because what you can see here, we are having some sort of like a potential channel to the upside, right? So USD CAD for me, it's a buy. Honestly speaking, it's a buy for me. USD CAD, it's a buy. So be careful for those cells on USD CAD. And let's check the DXY. Let's check the DXY. Wow, exactly as we predicted, right? Exactly, beautiful people. Exactly as we anticipated how price will move, right? So we are actually coming to the top, right? Here, we are coming here. We are coming here, guys. Because the overall structure for the DXY, it's actually sells. However, for the next coming weeks, we need to have structure commitment towards here. So we must have something like 1, 2, and 3. Before we can have those strong sell-off, we need to get first the buys in order to build a structure for long term. This will be a long-term continuation flag. So which means somewhere, somehow, the DXY will drop, right? And it will drop to a level whereby it's anticipated to come here. It is anticipated to come here. So it's something that it's going to happen for quite some time. We are coming here, guys, here, right? So that is the DXY setup. So for now, we are buying on the DXY, meaning that GBPSD is going to sell, Euro USD, it's going to sell, and USD is gonna sell, GPSD is gonna sell, gold is gonna sell, and also Nasdaq is gonna sell. Let's check Nasdaq. Let's check Nasdaq. Let's check Nasdaq. I was looking for sales on Nasdaq. Wow, okay. Price has activated our sales. We have the double top right there. We have the double top right there. We are coming down. We have the double top right there. We are coming down, beautiful people. And look how the market is actually going up. This should speak to you guys. This should speak to you. Let's open up the moving average. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. Wow, do you see that now? The 15 minutes time frame is confirming sales with our moving average. So simply because now price would now retest below the moving average, and then we are shooting down. That's how we are anticipating sales on the moving average. So in the next 30 minutes, we are having retail sales. Actually, it's 7 minutes. 2:30, USD fundamentals are coming. USD fundamentals are coming. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful, guys. USD fundamentals are coming. Nasdaq looks nice for sales. And also we have price looking nice also on the higher time frame structure. So in this case, I'm gonna be looking for this to actually play out the way I'm anticipating right here. This is our entry point for selling opportunities, and you are looking for the market to come down. And also, guys, once we come from here, breaking this level of support and turning it into a resistance, price is gonna make a head and shoulders pattern. So we're gonna be looking further down for Nasdaq to sell. Am I the only one who sell uptrend flag there on? Who sell uptrend flag? I don't understand your question. There's an uptrend, right, on the Nasdaq. There's an uptrend. However, price is going to break and retest the overall structure, this bullish channel. After it breaks it and retest it below, that's where we can say we are taking more selling opportunities. However, myself, I'm already in with the sales. I'm already in with the sales, and it's 6 minutes to go. We have core retail sales. We have core retail sales. 2:30, retail sales, core retail sales, 2:30. So be careful with that, guys. So I'm watching the news right now. Let's check GBPUSD. Oh, wow. 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 So at this current moment, what I can advise you, this is more of a correction, right? This is more of a impulse, bigger structure correction, continuation, right? We have 1, 2, 3, then a drop, right? That is one of the important factors that I'm looking at, which is the pattern presented upon here. Crystal clean, right? That is what we have. DXY buying, and then GBPSD selling. Simple as that. And we have the neckline, guys. We have the neckline, which is the neckline shoulder. So GU, very nice for sales, right? Based on the higher time frame structure. Bias continuations on 15 minutes. I beg to differ because today is reversal day, so it shall make sense with regards to sales. So I'm looking for sales on Nasdaq. So yes, you might be correct, but I beg to differ. I would like to stand with my point why I'm saying it's a sell. Nasdaq has to drop according to how I'm showing you guys. Nasdaq has to drop according to how I'm showing you, not based on that. So I sincerely apologize. I would like to stand with my point. So GBPSD, it's good for sales, right? 3 minutes into waiting for the USD fundamentals, right? So 3 minutes waiting for USD fundamentals. Three minutes waiting. So I'll be looking for Euro USD to sell and GU to sell. Already we have the painted M formation, rejection from the upside to the downside onto the GU. And we also have the structure commitment towards selling opportunities based on how the continuation flag it's been done. So I'm looking for that to be respected and for the market to sell. Right. So don't forget the NZDJPY again, beautiful people. Don't forget the NZDJPY again. Right. So 2 minutes left for the NZ for the USD fundamentals, right? So let me take a photo. So if you'd like to sell GBPSD, let's see if let's wait and see how fundamentals would react. Then I would tell you after that. We shall not react before fundamentals. Let's wait and check. But I'm going with selling opportunities onto the GBPSD. I'm voting for sales. I'm going with selling opportunities. You see? You see? You see, guys? You see? The core retail sales came out negative. They came out negative. Let's check the 15 minutes time frame. Let's check. You may sell GBPSD. Sell GBPSD. Wow. Nice clean sales. Nice clean. Let's check the Nasdaq. Nasdaq is also selling. Sell Nasdaq. Sell NAS 100. NAS 100. Nice clean selling opportunities, guys. Nice clean selling opportunities. UH30, it's still consolidating. I suggest we shall wait upon US30 because US30 doesn't play when it comes to price, when it comes to volatility. It's very strong. EuroCAD, it's also nice for sales, as you can see. I gave it out yesterday, the EuroCAD and also the GBP CAD, right? So does anyone have something quite different? Is anyone having something different from what we have? Anyone having something different from what we have? Okay, let's see. So the cat fails to actually push down. We are looking to go back to this high. The cat JPY, it's looking to buy. So ODNZD, what are you looking on ODNZD? What are you looking at on ODNZD? Let me check it. What are you looking at? Possible buys. Yeah, I once analyzed audience ZD and I saw possible buys. You can see here, I once analyzed it. And I also saw possible buys based on that. Awaiting a breakout and retest. Which breakout? Which breakout and retest? Which one? Oh, you mean something like this? I have something like this on the ODNZD. I have something like this on the ODNZD. But I'm not happy with it, man. Honestly, I'm not happy with ODNZD. Oh, this is how you analyzed it. Oh, okay. I'm not happy with it though, because the market is not giving me a proper direction, right? So I'm not happy with it. Things like ODNZD, these are the slowest setups, man. You must capitalize on smaller, like on high volatile pairs to make money on them. Don't rely on small volatile pairs to make money there. Right? So don't do that. Rely on something that it's highly volatile to make money. Let's also check the JPY. Okay, JPY. So possibly looking for a spike, a rejection. So once we get the rejection right here and close below here, if we can close here, we are gonna be going down. That will be an indication for us to reject from the upside. So that would give us a confirmation. Do we have someone who says, Minister, I have something different? This is what I'm looking at. You have someone that says, no. Someone who says, I'm looking into something like this. Do you have someone like that, guys? Let's check USD CAD. Yeah, the cells are still holding. The cells are still holding. Euro GBP. Euro GBP comes, it works wonders. It goes to our direction, how we truly anticipated it. So that's Euro GBP. That's Euro GBP. So the trades for today, let's choose the highest probability trades we can capitalize on. We have, on my side, I have Euro GBP buys. I'm gonna put it on the first list. Euro GBP buys and GBPSD sells. KJPY, it's not ready. GBP CAD looks ready. It has finally broke and took the direction. Remember, yesterday I was saying we are trapped onto this consolidation for quite some time. Now either price has to take a one clean direction. It has to take a real direction, basically, to one of these, either to the upside or to the downside. So right now we can see that now it's coming to our valued areas. So it's committing to the downside, you can see. So once it's now committing to the downside, we now need, the next step is to break this bullish trend. That is the next step. So the next step is to break this bullish trend and then build a retest upon here, right? That's where we can take our selling opportunities to the downside. Other than that, we just gonna hold and wait. We're just gonna wait. Because the boring part is what? It can either touch this trend line and still go back, right? And go and create a touch right there at the top before coming down, right? So it can still do that. So you need to be on the safe side in order to make clean money. So from this particular moment, what we need to do is we need to break. Now that we have broken the major the support that was here, it's now going to be turned into a resistance, broken below, retest below, then we come here, right? That's GBP CAD. We are now moving in the right direction with GBP CAD. Tell me, how do you check if NAS 100 is supposed to change direction? Okay. Firstly, what you need to do onto the NAS 100. Let me go to it. Let me go to it and let's check. As I have told you that NAS 100 respects levels. So you would see that firstly, onto NAS 100, what do you see? You must firstly look out for a pattern. And when you check right here, this is now a major supply zone, right? And what do you have here? We have first, second, third, fourth touch, right? And we have been going to the upside with a pattern. What is that pattern? That pattern is called a contracting wedge, right? Typically, I'm saying, practically, I'm saying price it squeezing itself towards this resistance right here, right? That's a contracting wedge. And when we go to smaller time frames, which is the 4-hour, we can now see that when we dive in deeper, we are now seeing that we have a reversal pattern towards the resistance, right? That is a reversal pattern, correction towards the resistance. Now, what is the correction now doing? We see that the correction now, it has printed a double top, which is the M formation. So simply means that the market is going to sell, break, and come down. That is one of the confirmations I'm using. And then one other thing that I'm using again, I'm also activating my beautiful moving average levels. So I'm using moving average 20 and moving average 50. So the moving average 20 and 50, the 50 is for your entry point and the 20 is for your trend. So simply means that you are supposed to actually, when you check right here, this is the 50, the entry one is actually this one. So you would simply see that in this case, the market is now having a downtrend. So you'll see that the market confirms a sell like this, right? Already we have that rejection spike there that confirms selling opportunities. And also we have the confirmation moving average to the bottom. Then you dive in deeper to smaller time frames like 5 minutes. 5 minutes will now give you a clean move whereby you will see a cross point of the moving average, where you'll now see that there's a retest below that has already occurred. Right now, the market is moving to the downside. So the smaller time frames confirms your entry point, right? So, and also we are using the rejection as part of the confirmation. So if the market rejects towards to the downside, it simply shows that more volume is actually to the downside. Simple as that. So that's how we are confirming for the market to say that we are selling towards the low, right? That is actually how we can say the market is going to go our direction. So I'm confirming using those kind of things, my direction. So in this case, you will see that the NAS 100 is having a bullish structure, but once we also confirm a break right here, once we confirm a break right here and then a retest, we are now going to be coming down. Simple as that. We don't have to complicate things and then you feel like maybe NASDAQ it's not doing the correct things, right? You just have to keep it simple. You look at your respective levels and then take a trade from those respective levels. Simple as that. So NASDAQ is a clean sell. You can sell NAS 100. Let's also check the GBP USD, right? Let's check the GBP USD. Nice clean sells, like I have told you guys. Nice clean sells. GU, nice clean sells. We are selling there. So the next 100, nice good sales for today. And I just believe that for the week, we're just gonna be selling. So let's check the gold one time. Let's check the gold for one time today. Let's see. Gold likes to take its own momentum. However, what we see here on gold is quite different from what we have. So you'd see that gold needs to break certain levels in order for it to go to the direction we are looking for. And at this current moment, since we have this high, I'm still in the belief that we're gonna be coming towards here before we can go down. Right? That's how I'm anticipating gold, right? And then when we check on the smaller time frames, we simply see that we have a W formation, right? Simple as that. Simple as that. So for today, guys, since today it's reversal day, we are having Nasdaq at sells, gold as buys, GBP as DSLs, Euro GBP as buys, and then we also have the last one, Cat Chef. We also have Cat Chef with buys. Cat Chef with buys. Wow. Nice clean buys, beautiful people. Nice clean buys right here. So Cat Chef, nice clean buys. Impulse correction continuation. Cat Chef, nice clean buys. Right, we are pushing to the upside on this one. So does anyone have questions before we close? Do we have any questions before we close? All right. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for coming to the meeting. May God richly bless you. I'm your minister speaking, and I'm signing out. Thank you, Yasin. Thank you, Yasin. Thank you, Yasin. Can I get the fire emojis, beautiful people? Can I get the fire emojis on the block? Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Bonga, thank you, Edgar. Thank you, Yasin. Thank you, guys. Larona, thank you, bro. Dope analysis. You know, guys, you know. May God richly bless you, beautiful people. I'm your minister. Let's meet tomorrow yet again on another beautiful market analysis. And let's kill the market every day, guys. Thank you and shalom.